Trademark KIAplast, working in a specialized market since 2003 and stands out for technical features, wide products range and price policy. Our mission is not limited to just selling our products. We do everything so that our clients receive reliable and high-quality goods. We try to satisfy their needs by offering practical, affordable and inexpensive solutions. Planning, advanced technologies and innovations are the key factors that help Trademark KIAplast to be a successful and modern company. Honest relations with clients, ensuring reliable supplies, a large selection of standard and specially selling profile, and the continuous improvement for all processes in the company are always in the first place for us. The scope of our activities is divided in 4 groups. 1 and 2 component sales production. Thanks to the professionalism of our staff, using of high-quality polymeric materials and high-tech equipment, Trademark KIAplast manufactures configurations of any complexity that meet all technical, environmental and operational requirements. Pile weatherstrip production. In the Eastern Europe and CIS countries, Trademark KIAplast is the only manufacturer with a full production cycle. We make this product with a glue base or without, in various sizes and colors. Electro-erosive metal processing. Our company have a full range of services for dies manufacture with the possibility of developing a drawing and producing it on EDM machine. International cooperation. Our company is actively implementing international projects, cooperating with foreign partners and exporting our products to European countries, which numbers are increasing every year. Briefly about the achievements of our company. 15 years on the market, more than 600 types of products, monthly range growth for 10-15 units, stock availability, production capacity of 4 million meters per month, products export more than 10 countries, making dies with drawing design. The company has a quality control system. All products are manufactured according to a specially designed specification, which quality is confirmed by Certificate of Conformity and conclusion of SES. Working with Trademark KIAplast, you get a reliable partner for many years. Trust in quality.